Pull forward and get you a little momentum backwards. Let it idle down. You're alright. It's all the same noises it used to make. Alternator. It's not in reverse yet. Let's see if it moves. Oh, it moves. Watch her put this thing in reverse. Reverse is so stiff. Look. There you go, Mike. Shut the hell up. It is a burnout. It's been a long time since you've driven a stick car. She had a RX-7 or FD RX-7 that was LS swapped with a 6-speed in it. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. 500 miles around the day. It's gonna take a while to get used to that. Yeah, them headlights are bright. Hear that spool. Oh, second gear. Oh, it sounds different too. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Well, if she makes it home this time, we'll be in good shape. Last time she road tested the car, she didn't make it home.